Welcome back, traders. In today's lesson, we're going to go over support and resistance. And this is a fundamental aspect of technical analysis. Basically, support is an area that price likes to bounce off of. So down here, this is our support line. And up here is our resistance line because price is struggling to break above that. So it's important to know about support and resistance that essentially you are just trying to buy at support and you want to sell at resistance. And really that concept is easy enough to follow. You really just have to establish where the support and resistance lines should go. And the way you do that is just by connecting these lows down here for support and connecting these highs for your resistance. Okay? Now, when you have support and resistance, at some point, you've got a ceiling and a floor, and at some point, this support will become resistance, or this resistance will become support. And what I mean by that is that price won't just stay like doing this forever. At some point, price will make a move like this. It'll come up here, and then it'll break through the resistance. And then it'll come back down, and then it'll go up. Your resistance will be broken, at which point it will become support. And you'll get more support and resistance until eventually that is broken. So the ceiling becomes the floor, just like the floor can become the ceiling. So let's pretend price broke down our support and came back up and tested it. Your support is now resistance. The floor is now the ceiling. And so on and so forth. And that's the basics of support and resistance. Now, in our other lessons, we'll teach you a little bit of a different way to mark support and resistance that's more accurate. But in general, this is what you need to know about support and resistance. It will respect it till a certain point, and then it will break it, and it will change it. Again, resistance becomes support, and support will become resistance.
Support and resistance are two of the most popular concepts in technical analysis. It states that there are certain price levels that act as a barrier and makes the price stop and reverse. Support is a level that prevents the price from being pushed downwards. Resistance is a level that prevents the price from being pushed upwards. There are three golden rules you need to know about support and resistance. The more times support or resistance levels have been tested, the stronger they get. It happens because the more obvious the level is, the more traders will be placing their buy or sell orders there. When a support or resistance level breaks, the stronger it has been, the stronger the follow-through for the next move will be. In theory, every support should become resistance, and every resistance should become support. Here you can see that price was rising and met resistance. When it broke through, it tested the same level from the upside and it became as new support. The same can be seen in a downtrend. Price was falling, it met support, and when it managed to break through, it tested this level as the new resistance.